Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about that question tag, and it's a very easy to learn. It has three steps, we can say that. Only three steps we have to follow, which one I have already talked in that previous videos, and now today we are going to learn that stepwise. Uh, Here is the first step. In the first step, we are going to talk about that begin a tag question with an auxiliary verb. You can see over here in the table statements verb. That verb which is given in the statement. And for the statements we have already talked in the previous video. We have gone through it. And those who have not seen, they have to see the previous video. Statements verb. When the verb is mentioned, like if you talk about the auxiliary verb, it is mentioned in that statement, that same verb should be repeated. Like he has come, hasn't he? You can see here is the auxiliary verb has. These all are the statement and is a positive, so our question tag should be negative. We'll talk about that in that step number 2. Second step. So he has come, hasn't he? Hasn't he? The same auxiliary verb is repeated when auxiliary verb is mentioned. We are going to talk about the second number. Likewise, if you found in the statement verb 1, verb 2, verb 5, then you have to use do for verb 1, did for verb 2, and does for verb 5. Example, she reads. You can see that reads is a verb 5. So for verb 5 we have to use does. She reads novels, doesn't she? So we have used does instead of verb 5. Now let's see the step number 3. Subject plus apostrophe D plus rather, have, or verb 1. If rather and have plus verb 1 is given, then you have to use would as a auxiliary verb in the question tag. What you have to use? Would. It will be more clear with the example. You can see I apostrophe D, no, it is written over there, plus rather, subject apostrophe D plus rather. So I as a subject, apostrophe D, rather, dance. Wouldn't I? It means here its pronunciation is the what? Would, not the had. Okay. So next number 4. Subject plus apostrophe D plus better, or had, or verb 3. You have to use had as an auxiliary verb in question tag. Example, he had, he apostrophe D, he had better dance, hadn't he? Question marks. Likewise, in 5 number, subject plus apostrophe yes plus verb 4, ing form of the verb, or noun or adjective. Anything can be there. You have to use is as an auxiliary verb in the question tag. So let's see with example, like he apostrophe yes, reading, ing form, where you can see ing form, apostrophe s plus ing form. He is reading, isn't he is a question type. Auxiliary verb we have used here as a is. Number 6. Subject plus apostrophe s plus verb 3 when it is in the passive form is, you have to use is as auxiliary verb in the question tag. Example, he has badly beaten by Ranju. It is in the passive form. 7 number, subject plus apostrophe s plus verb 3 had or been, you have to use has as a auxiliary verb. Like example, she has just arrived. Hasn't she? Okay, next number 8. Subject plus have, has or had as a main verb without verb 3. When have, has or had used as a main verb without verb 3, then you have to use, if had is mentioned, you have to use do. If has is mentioned, you have to use does. If had is mentioned, you have to use did. Example, he had a pen. For had we should use did. Didn't he? Likewise, if you talk about the imperative sentence, it has a 3 question type. You can say that. Suppose imperative sentence. When the imperative sentence begins with the main verb, we can say, and it has order, okay, polite. When the sentence begins with verb 1, okay, itself it's a statement. Verb 1, don't, late, have, please, kindly, always, never. You have to use will you as a question tag. Likewise, there is a let's. You have to use shall we. Let's dance, shall we. Here you can see yes is here. Here also yes, shall we. You can remind like this. I am, see the 10 number. I'm dot dot dot. In the positive sense, you have to use it should be changed into the aren't as a actually. I am a teacher, aren't I? You're not allowed to write am aren't I. Okay? And now we'll talk about that second step in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.